Git sila yun.
After na lang dalit sa kapoy ko.
For me, I have nothing to
Wait, what was it?
insecure because one, I have my own talent. Two, I have my own beauty. And three, I have my own confidence. That's all, and good evening, mabuhay karangan.
White beauty. Muna siya ang fever.
Gapa kasi palagay.
Balik yun ka saan. Good evening, Peach. Nabong mo.
Ay, introduce na.
Ay, ito niya sa lagi. Onion na, onion na.
Lakaw yun! Magbinugo.
Ay, bituyok ko.
A fabulous evening to each and everyone, especially our board judges. Good evening. Love is giving two hearts together. Standing in front of you is Charis Pingpenko Mariolorda Celeste. 16 years of age, proud to represent the homeland of Jews and yun sa'yo. Galalo.
Good evening to each and everyone, especially all the board of churches. Good evening.
Cheese.
Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, but today it's a gift. That's why it's called present.
Present.
Standing in the front of you is Bridgely Amabara, but tonight, Bilang 14, Erich Gonzalez, 14 years of age, proud to represent the land where I was born, Karangan, Sami City.
Balik ko yung okay. Tulog ka, Pandiwa. Tulog ka, Baber. Latay. Lalatay. Huwa ka latay. Kailangan itlog. Sayop yun. Ano sayop yun? Ay, ano dito? Ano dito? Chi. Pandiwa. Bow. Latay. Lalatay. Huwa ka latay. Kailangan bayot nga sugay.
Sugay, galapalapay.
Langoy. Lalangoy. Bali na.
Waka lang, oy, kay nay.
Dili na, bali yun.
Langoy lang.
Ano, langoy, lalang. Ay, balik guys.
Laba,
Balik,
laba,
oy.
laba.
Laba. Lalaba. Wa, kalaba. Kay nabuak ang planggana.
May palanggana ba?
Latay. Lalatay. Wa, kalatay. Kailangan itlog na kumbitay. Langoy. Lalangoy. Wa, kalangoy. Kailangan bayot na syakay. Standing in front of you is Mariolorda Celeste and Sparkle Twinkle, proud to represent the land of Jesus and the homeland of Jews, no other than Israel.
White beauty. Gan sa kadalanan. Ugang mabayot, kusog mo tuwad sa kagbiunan. Proud to represent the land. The land of Jesus and the homeless of